Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see how to do arithmetic operation of multiplication in Excel. So we'll see the multiplication operation in Excel. So as you know, it is a cell. So here I will write equal to 2 into 8. So what it was a 16. So 16 should be the answer. So in this way, we can do the multiplication operation. So for example, I will give 23 and 45. And if you want to get result, what you have to do? So as I told you in the previous classes, in addition and in subtraction also, the same logic we will implement in this multiplication also. Just write A1 into A2 into A3. So this is the output multiplication. Multiplying these three numbers, we will get this result. We will get this result. For example, in B, I have given 5 here. So in 4, I will give 60, 56, 78, 99, 87, 34. So now I want, so dollar P1 into dollar B, $1 into A1. So you have to write equal to here. Then it will convert into the formula. Then click on OK. Then you will get the multiplication, and just you have to drag it like this. Then all the multiplications will be done using absolute reference. So I hope you understand. So if you have any doubts in this class, please comment in the chat. It's a simple class about multiplication operation in Excel. And that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.